Have you ever experienced that frustrating moment when your YouTube views suddenly come to a stop? I know you must have been wondering what's going on, what did I do wrong, what approach did I take that make my videos stop getting views? As a creator, seeing your hard work and dedication not being paid off on YouTube here can be really tough and frustrating, but don't worry, because in today's video I'm here to help you understand what might be going on and also share some secret strategies to adapting to this ever-changing YouTube landscape. One of the most common reasons why most YouTube channels experiences sudden drop in view is because the algorithm changes. Yes, YouTube algorithm is constantly evolving, and sometimes these changes can affect how our content is being displayed to our audience. Another reason could be content saturation. Like if you are posting too frequently or not frequently enough, you will notice that your audience might start to lose interest or feel overwhelmed. So all you need to do is to sit back, try to analyze the particular time you are getting audience. Is it when you're posting frequently or when you're posting less frequently? Don't worry, I'm still going to come back to all these points I'm stating and dive deeper into it so that you'll be able to understand and start making amends. Then the next point is audience fatigue. This is another major reason whereby your content might not be resonating well with your audience as it used to be before. Probably maybe because of too many content, or maybe because your contents are no longer relevant. You know, some people are always looking for updates. Yes, content that are updates. So it could be that maybe the reason why your views dropped all of a sudden is because you are no longer providing relevant topics again. So you need to check this out and also fix it. Lastly, it could be also changes to viewers behavior. Yes, such as shift towards different types of content or platform. It could be that some of the audience you have might have left YouTube and go to other social media platform, or maybe they're no longer interested in your content idea again. Like for instance, maybe you give tutorials on how to grow a YouTube channel. Maybe you have close to like 3 or 4 people that were so interested. That is people that always watch you and encourage you with nice comments. A time might come whereby they might get tired of maybe handling their YouTube channel and decide to give up. So that way you have lose those 3 audience. But don't worry, the next point now that I am diving into, I'm going to be practically explaining these 4 points that I just listed and how you can be able to tackle it. Number one is the algorithm changes. You know, algorithm changes can be really tough to navigate, but one way to adapt is by making sure that your titles, tags and descriptions are optimized for the current algorithm. Yes, and this brings us back to this particular video that I made my last video, which I discussed with us on how to make use of the SEO strategies to optimize our video upload and to make our videos appear on search on YouTube here. That is to make us get more visibility to our channels. So if you actually don't understand these SEO strategies, I would recommend you to go back and watch this video. I made mention of an important app which as a content creator you are supposed to have, which is the VDIQ app. That app is going to really help you with the current trending hashtags, trending keywords that if you make use of on your videos on YouTube, that is going to really go far. So I'm going to advise you to go back to that video to get more information. The next point which we discussed earlier on is content saturation. Actually, this one is a very tricky word. Well, how is it tricky? It's actually tricky because it's all about finding that sweet spot where you're posting frequently enough to keep your audience engaged, but not too frequently in order not to overwhelm them. We'll be diving into the third point, which is audience fatigue. You see the reason why I said earlier on that this is actually a major point that you need to consider. Yes, because audience fatigue is a sign that That's when you start experiencing audience fatigue. It is a sign that you need to start mixing things up. Like, you need to start spicing up your content, whatever content you are doing, even if it's comedy line, health line, cooking line, whatever content at all. That is whatever niche at all you are focused on. You need to spice it up. Once you start experiencing audience fatigue, it simply means that it's high time you try something new to your channel. This could be as simple as changing your format or changing your topic, that is trying new topics, or if possible sef taking a break and coming back again. That is because I see some of the upcoming YouTubers, they do it here. I might be watching this channel and all of a sudden for like a space of a week or two I won't see them again, and they're coming back in another dimension. Yes, if you're experiencing this audience fatigue, you can also try it. That break you're taking, you are trying to re-strategize. You use that period to study what your audience were actually interested in before, the kind of content you were creating, the time you were posting, when you are having engagement, what you were doing. Are you replying to comments often? Are you trying to keep them engaged? You live stream daily? So try to take that break, refresh your memory, and come back again and give us banger. Let's dive into the fourth point, which is changes in viewers behavior. This one is all about staying on top of trends and being willing to pivot when necessarily, except if maybe some of your viewers decided to quit YouTube and switch to another social media platform, or maybe they decide to change niche. Yes, like as I explained earlier on, but I'm going to be giving you an example now for you to really understand these points. Let's say your channel is all about DIY. Yes, DIY home decor, home decoration. Then you notice suddenly that your viewers are shifting towards more sustainable and eco-friendly content. Now all you need to do is consider incorporating more eco-friendly content into your videos. Similarly, if you find out that your viewers, that is your audience, are more interested in your shorter content instead of your long content, I do not say you should post it on shorts. I'm still going to go into that. Now you can, for maybe for some time, try to lessen your video duration. Maybe you post like 30 minutes or 40 minutes before. You can decide to like bring it down to see if they're going to adapt and start putting interest. Yes, I'm not saying you're going to continue like that forever because of the earning revenue and all that, because later on you might still decide to take it up. Yes, but for the meantime, since you're trying to re-strategize everything to see if your channel will pick up, you can try these points. You can also go as far as posting some of them, that is half of the video, or an interesting part of the video to your short form. Yes, because if that person is really interested in that video, once the person sees it on your shorts, there's no how the person will be interested to know more about that video. So that is what is going to push them to your longer video. Let me tell you the honest truth. If you can adapt, that is, take all these points that I just mentioned and you start using it, I bet you the kind of engagement and interest you see from your viewers, you sef, you'll be surprised. Now let me share a personal story with you about my channel. You know, normally I grow my channel from short form video because I was actually a JJC on YouTube when I newly joined. So I was thinking that I get monetized on my shorts, and big revenue. Yes, do everything on my shorts. My watch hour is going to come from my shorts. Everything, blah 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 blah. So at some point when I started watching tutorial videos like this, because I never intended on doing something like this, God knows that I never so when I started watching content like this, I was like, does it mean that I'm making a mistake? So but I didn't really accept that moment, so I was just waiting till my watch time from my short form video reach 4,000 so that I can apply for monetization and start making cool money. Don't worry now. So as God may have it, finally I hit the 4,000 watch time, and I was trying to click on monetization, it wasn't working. So I started making a research, watching bigger YouTubers to know why, and that was when it's down to me that my watch hour was just 13. God knows that I almost I almost went crazy. So I had to start all over again, just like starting from a crash. Actually, I wanted to delete this channel, but something, okay, yeah, it was my husband that advised me. I was like, why not just switch? Try, something can happen. God can do a miracle. So that was how I posted a long form video. My Actually, it's not my first long form video. I used to post about my son and maybe some makeup tips, because I'm a makeup artist here. Patronize me. So but that is by the way. So after I made that first post, I call it first post because that was where my channel picked up actually. So that post really went viral. Yeah, within the space of 1 week, I already had over 5,000 view, with lots of engagement. People were asking me a lot of questions were coming in here and there, this and that, blah blah blah. So now let us go into the main point. So after that video was going viral, I decided to make other video, yes, because I want video like that. But that one that I did, I was actually being honest. I was explaining how I got my 1,000 subscribers from my short form videos within the space of 5 days. Yes, that was the main idea. I just wanted to share it with my audience to see. I just wanted to share my success story. Yeah, but I never knew it could actually go far like that. I wanted to start, then after I post that, I will not continue posting my baby, my daily life, vlogging and all that. But that video changed my story. It changed my idea. It changed everything about me. It changed so many things because I had pending questions on the comment section that I really need to set up my camera and explain to them. Now after I made that video, after like a month, no, after like 2 weeks or so, I decided to post other videos. I was just posting relevant thing, how to do this one, how to do that one, how to do that one. I noticed that they were not getting views. Okay, one of them that I even deleted out of annoyance, it only gave me like 10 watch hour, yeah, after like 2 weeks of posting it, and with nothing, no, zero subscriber, and view was like 90. So videos like that were like up to 4. So at some point I gave break, like I left YouTube for like 1 week. That 1 week that I left, I was using it to search, like ask Google. I was just searching everywhere. What do I do? My views are no longer growing. That was when God blessed this mighty YouTuber. I've forgotten his name. I'm so sorry for forgetting his name. I'm gonna be dropping it here. So I watched one of his video of how to start having views back on YouTube, and all these points I listed for you today was what I actually used. They were what I actually did, and today my channel is back. Like my channel is back. If you notice now, I'm not doing all that massively well, but at least I'm doing well. Some of my videos tend to have over 1,000 views. Some are still under 1,000 views, but at least the watch hour matters because people tend to stay more on my content, so it's increasing my watch hour. So what I want you to understand from this my story is that if you're not getting views now, don't think it's the end of the world. No, see, I will advise you to keep pushing forward. Don't give up, and someday you will come up on your screen making reference to me. Yes, that after watching Princess Chiamaka video on this, I decided to re-strategize everything, and today I am back and I'm so happy. This is my prayer for each and every one of you watching this video currently now. So if you're watching me now, just say amen. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. That is if you watched up to this moment. Thank you. You are the Odogu. Yes, you are the Odogu. You are the main. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. Don't worry, I'm going to be sharing more tips on how to boost your engagement and grow your audience in my next video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so that anytime I upload content or I bring good news like this, you'll be the first person that YouTube will notify. Lastly, if you've struggled with declining views, I would like to know your experience in the comment section below. Let us tackle it together. Yes, I'm going to be explaining to you, that's from my own point, how you can handle that. Okay, Bye. I love you always.